Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zcash. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price line of Zcash has formed another up channel after the breakout from a big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. Now let's move to the live chart. And here you can see that the price line of Zcash is once again about to hit the support of this channel. Right now, it is testing this long-term support of $50. If we take a look at the previous history of this $50 support, here we have this $50 support right away. And you can see that previously it had been breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks a month. And here for several months, it has been breaking as support. And now again, it is testing the support. Right now, we are moving slightly down than this support. And for example, if the price line will be moved slightly more down, then it can test the support of the channel. We are here approximately at $48. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that Zcash formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. Buying's on and the sell target's on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line once again entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice reversal in the price and moved slightly beyond the sell target zone. And before that, we got almost 54% pump. And this signal I shared on 29th of November 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Zcash was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was a complete trade setup, by the way. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and ended the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice and massive reversal. And this was almost 54% rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Zcash. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it is moving inside this channel since after the month of June 2024. We found the resistance here. We got rejection here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And this time the price line is rejected by this resistance of $80. By the way, from 80 to $100, we have a quite long-term resistance zone. That is a complete resistance zone that had been previously working as a support zone here for several months and resistance here. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And for example, if the price line after this retest of this support of the channel starts another move to the outside to test to hit the resistance of the channel, then it can hit the resistance here at $100. And at the same time, we will also need to break out this resistance zone and the resistance of the channel now to continue this rally to the downside. That was begun here after the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. By the way, if the price then breaks out the resistance of this channel, then in case of breaking out, the target to the upside will be here, slightly higher than this long-term resistance of $216. The target will be approximately at $234. By the way, this $216 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of Zcash. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.